Cable organizer. Spiral wrap tubes. Best tips. These two designs are widely used. The old school spiral band and the dual lip tube. Old school spiral bands are very simple. Even a child will be able to fix it to the cable. On the other hand, dual lip tubes are more complicated. You can see the two lips curl and overlap each other. That's why it is not easy to push the cable into the tube.
I will now try to fix the tube to a cable. This is obviously not a good way.
Manufacturer usually provides a special tool to attach the cable to the tube.
The applicator comprises a plow and a cable layer guide. The plow shape facilitates smooth separation of the lips. Simultaneously, the perfectly angled guide pushes the cable into the tube.
Is it possible to make something like this to insert the cable efficiently?
Let's see if this plow works. The cone separates the lips as intended. A short length of cable is inserted, but after that the cone plow is stuck. I experimented with clips and bend wires to insert a cable in the tube, but they didn't work. After many tries, I came to the final solution. To illustrate the process better, I have colored the lips blue and red. This is the secret weapon. It's a useful tool for general DIY use.